Y'all just did this synthetic wig. Okay, I bought this from the Beauty Supply. It was $59.99. Half off. It was like 30 something. Long story short, you know, y'all, I fell in love with this wig when I first seen it. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. Oh, I gotta get the spray and stuff. Spray is what you really want to use. You could use this or you could use the jelly kind they have. And this keeps your wigs and stuff like that in place. I'm gonna put that on after I glue it down and stuff like that, just to show y'all the look and stuff. But yeah, I really do like this wig. I plucked it myself. It wasn't plucked. It didn't even have a side in it at first. And yeah, the colors, it's cute. I don't know, I like curves on me. People like curves on me. I like, so then I can put it behind my ear if I want it to. But I do have lace all right here, so I'm gonna cut that, glue that down, and yeah. Yeah. Ooh. And I don't even try browns, like black and browns combined. I don't know why, but this is like the first time I did it. But basically, I'm gonna leave my hair like this. I was gonna, you know, lay it down or whatever, but that's too much. I don't like it. I'm gonna just do it like this because either way, it's still gonna lay. I'm having short hair cut, so y'all be fine. So basically, you just wanna. Y'all, this is the lace wig. I gotta cut all around and all right there. And I plucked out my scalp. It's like a little ball spot right there. I need to make my side go down a little bit more. Y'all, they is right when they say it's thick. This stuff is thick. Y'all may say this is uneven with this, but it's fine because I'm doing a side tutorial, so I'm gonna just put this back up. It's fine because I'm in this. I guess you should just wait to glue it, like to position your hair first and then just glue it. I'm gonna reglue it, so it's fine. That's when I try to glue my brows. Alright. Then you want to just go like this on your hand. It's like just air it. Alright, I'm going to let this dry. Matter of fact, I'm going to do one more coat over. You just want to spray over. You want to spray like this. Hold on, let me turn the light down. Okay, so you want to just spray. I sprayed the long hair where I want it because what I'm going to cut is like close to here. So you want to like do that. And then when you cut it, you can go back and fix whatever you got to fix. But for right now, that's what I wanted to cut. I meant glue. No, I should put my glasses on for this one. I'm going to mess myself up. I'm a blindie. I'm mad because my contacts dried out. Only one. I don't know why it happens all the time. Only one of my contacts will dry out and I'll be mad. Okay, so that's what we're saying, y'all. Start from here. And you just cut. Ooh, it sounds all weird. Scratch, scratch. Scratch, scratch. And you just cut. That's all you're doing is cutting. And it's so good that it's already down on the head. Look, it looked like my hair, like literally coming out of my scalp. And that's half of my baby hairs too, right here. So that is good that I didn't already do that, because they automatically light for me. But I'm gonna make some baby hairs, y'all. I'm gonna make some baby hairs. I don't know. I'm addicted to lace wigs. I really think lace wigs are so beautiful. Some real stuff, y'all. I'm talking facts. I'm talking facts in these streets. I'm talking facts. You know that. So y'all can see, I left a little lace It's lace it. You just can't see it. That's how good the lace is, y'all. That's how good that lace is right there. But yeah, it's laced on it. Alright. Half of my hair came out, but it's fine. That's normal. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back in. Let's pull this down a little bit. Cut that little piece. Okay. It's all glued down now. I still got half my little baby hairs out, y'all. But it's all glued down. Glued down. Hard, look. Glue down, glue down, glue down. So now I think I'm about to put it in a ponytail and show y'all how to do, you know, how to do baby hairs. Okay, so this is it, and like I just put in a little ponytail because I'm about to do my baby hair. So this is a close up. How it look. I mean, you probably could just see a little bit right there, but you ain't gonna see that for long. The part's still right there. If you want to do it like a little Chinese bun, run to the curry out right quick. Run to the store, you just do this bun, like a nice little bun. Throw some earrings on the gauze, and call it a day. And back to this. This is gonna make my baby head. Y'all do this synthetic shoes. I bought it from the store for $30, and then I got the baby head going with it.